Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for did you guys just see that light sweat change? Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today I'm going to be doing my November Ipsy bag, and let's not waste any time, let's just jump right in. So this one's Ipsy bag looked like this. It's this dark blue, it has all these hearts and a gold zipper. And the first thing I got in there is this bubble tea Moroccan mint tea reviving hand cream. So it's basically just what it says, hand cream. It smells like not much, honestly. Feels nice though. And then the next product I got in the bag is this Pure Lease Perfect Glow BB Cream with SPF 30. It's oil free. And it looks just like this. It says oil-free, moisturizing, natural look and coverage. Matte meets glowy finish. What on earth does that even mean? Matte meets glowy. Well, we might as well just put some on and see what we think. Oh, that looks really cool. Usually that's okay because we do blend it out and it is supposedly sheer. So let's see. Okay, this is just like too light for me. Oh my god, I look like a ghost. Oh my god. Oh my god, this looks awful. Okay, no, this is not my color. This looks like I'm fresh out the grave, so we're gonna take this off. I don't even know what shade they sent me. They sent me the shade Deep. Okay, I don't want to see it. Beauty through Asian wisdom. That's what it says on the back. And then it says benefits antioxidant moisturizer, SPF 30, all in one. Goji berry and breaking skin. Jasmine to improve this texture. So I guess this is supposed to be like a lot of built-in skincare in this. So I'll never wear it. I look insane. I'm just gonna quickly go in, put on a quick foundation base, and then I'll be right back. Then next in the bag we have this Helios eyeshadow. It's a very purple, almost satiny, chromy. It's not chrome. It's like a satin metallic shadow. And let's just go ahead and put it on our eyelids. I'm gonna do one eye with my finger and then one eye with a brush. So pretty on the finger though. Do you see how reflective it is? This looks promising. It's actually like a really nice purple. It's a little bit grungy, but I'm gonna throw some in a crease as well just because I feel like it looks a little strange just having a lid color and nothing else. And then let's just go ahead and do the other side with a brush. It's definitely more of a like satin finish. So it definitely gives the same amount of pigment when you apply it with the brush. You just kind of have to do 2 layers in order to make them match. But other than that, it's like a very pretty color. I'm gonna quickly dip into this e.l.f. eyeshadow quad and take just the darkest color in there, just so I can accidentally put in my crease. Just gonna help it blend out a little bit better. Okay, let's move on. So the next item in the bag we have is this liquid highlighter from the Balm. It's in Bonnie Dew Manizer. We're just gonna go ahead and slap some on our cheeks. Not sure how much to use, so let's start with 3 dots and then we can work it up if we need to. I didn't powder my face or anything, so I'm just using like this liquid highlighter over liquid. It's really grabbing onto the foundation though, and it's like not wanting to blend out. Well, let me go on with a brush and see if that helps a little bit. I think that definitely blended out a lot better with the brush. Just the sponge didn't really want to move it around too much. Again, it just like didn't want to move at all. Let me just try down my nose just to see what it's like using only a brush alone. I think it looks okay, but honestly I don't think it's something I'm gonna reach for again just because it didn't really blend out that well. Oh my god, I can't stop staring at my nose. Oh my god. And it dries really fast, so I think that's why it's not blending out. I just think it just like, as soon as you put it on, it wants to dry. So it's pretty difficult to blend out. Last but not least in the bag, we have this Huda Beauty metallic lip. As you can see it right there. And I got this very bronzy shade. And I got the shade Foxy. So let's just go ahead and slap her on. I don't think this bronzy lip is gonna go with this very purple grungy eye though, so we'll see. I am not really a metallic lip wearer. I don't think it's the worst thing in the world, but again, it's like, it's just a preference thing with this, is that I just wouldn't see myself reaching for this. It's like, it looks better in the camera than it does in real life, which is odd. Feels okay on the lips. Let's quickly just go through everything and I'll give you my final thoughts. So a win was the eyeshadow. It was really nice and it was a really pretty color without being too like in your face. Metallic lip, it's an okay formula. I just don't think I'll ever reach for it. The lotion was fine, felt really, feels nice in the hands. Scent is okay. Liquid highlighter by The Balm, I just wasn't really a fan of it. Unfortunately, it just grabbed too much and didn't want to blend out. And the BB cream, it's kind of hard to judge something when it's not your color. And it certainly was not my color. So, this wasn't the most successful bag that we've had. But I still had a lot of fun trying out all the new makeup. And even though I don't love it, I know somebody will. But as far as the eyeshadow goes, that one was a win. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed filming it for you guys. And I will see you all next time. Bye.